Hello everyone and welcome back. About 2 weeks ago, almost 2 weeks I think, started feeding the deer out here. I put some sweet feed down and some corn the first time, and then came back out and put some corn. I did see, just to feed the deer, and I did see one deer out here one night when I was filling up the boiler. I could just see the eyes with my headlamp. I also took a couple of the heads of cabbage that were frozen in the garden and put them here, and they are pretty much totally gone. There's a little piece, I think, right. No, they ate that right up. So, and at the same time when I saw the eyes here, I seen some that were down the trail. So I'm pulling the card and let's take a look and see what's been going on. I put it on. I put the card in like the day. This is a couple days after deer hunting ended for firearms, and now today is the last day of muzzleloader. I haven't heard anybody shooting any muzzleloaders around here, but anyway, let's see what's been in here. I know I've seen some blue jays and some crows, and I see some deer tracks, so we should get some pictures on here. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. 188 pictures. I just picked out some of the good ones. I didn't see any bucks on there. Does look pretty healthy. Seems like the cats and the deer live together. And the birds are getting some too. I will see you guys on the next video.